the Red Enjomor out. Remember, this one had a leak, and I took the head off to check for the leak, and the head gasket is an O-ring that was mushed. And I remembered I have some copper washers that I was going to use to try and put different head. Let me get distracted by that. Yeah, to adjust the pressure on these. And so I put one of those copper washers in. You see there's a millimeter and a half of space there. So there's lower compression on the engine now. And I'll have to retune it. With this new lower compression. But I don't know if that fixed the leak either, so do some test running.